Now, what are the advantages or pros of this, the presence of this exercise? It strengthen our disaster response capability for the city. So the development of humanitarian assistance and disaster response, so they call that it's ADR. Facilities at Lumbia enhances the city's ability to respond to typhoons, earthquakes, large-scale emergencies. Preposition equipment and supplies can be mobilized rapidly for northern Mindanao, and local responders gain valuable training alongside advanced military units. So another is to improve emergency interoperability. So there is coordination between the armed forces, the allied forces, and the local agencies. It should be improved joint response mechanism, enhances communication system and incident command structure and evacuation protocols. Build capacity of the City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, or the CDRMO, and other responders. Those are some advantages that they will do in their exercise. Now, infrastructure enhancement and support public, mag-construct po sila sa mga schools din sa atong syudad Cagayan. Identified barangays nga ilang target. Number 1 is Barangay Lumbia, Barangay Carmen, Barangay Patag, Barangay Bulwa, and Barangay Indahag. So they are now conducting coordination. Ang atong mga hospitals, they are for relief and for exercises o kining disaster precise exercises. So muna ang part of their activity, walay military exercises sa Cagayan de Oro, kundi purely humanitarian assistance and disaster response exercises here in Cagayan de Oro.